Hi everyone, my name is Neha and I'm currently a senior in high school and I'm excited to share my Girl Scout Gold Award project with you all. As a Girl Scout, I've always been taught that community service is something that's essential, and being a Girl Scout has shown me the importance of starting sustainable projects or working on them to help my community. With that mindset, I decided to work towards the Girl Scout Gold Award by collaborating with 21 Acres. For my project, I've made educational videos about constructing a biochar kiln and making biochar in a feasible way. I constructed a kiln for 21 Acres with the help of my friends and family and donated materials from 21 Acres and actually made biochar here on the farm. Additionally, I've written a blog to explain more about biochar and why you should use it below this video. I was first introduced to 21 Acres by volunteering in the apiary a couple of summers ago, and I found the experience very enjoyable, and it taught me so many skills that I wouldn't have learned otherwise. While deciding that I wanted to do something related to climate change and agriculture, I thought that 21 Acres would be the perfect place to reach out, and I'm so glad they've been supporting me through this journey by helping me with this project. I actually didn't know about biochar until last year, when I was introduced to it by my mentor for a science and engineering fair, where I proved with a statistical analysis that biochar can sequester carbon. Biochar is such a simple and innovative solution for mitigating climate change, and I was actually very disappointed when I heard that many people didn't know about biochar. And that's what inspired me to go for this gold award, to create educational material to share with people who could be interested in using it. Here is a picture of my first attempt at making biochar at home for my science and engineering project. And since then, I've been trying to find new ways and new kilns to burn biochar in order to make it more sustainable and innovative. My overall goal is to help farmers and hobby gardeners find new ways to improve their soil quality and farm in a sustainable manner, and this is where I'm starting off. Thank you for watching.